Little bonus information here. When I took this T-top off to give myself room to work, I noticed that one of these tabs that goes into the T-top itself was loose. So I went and tightened it. Actually, there's a little screw here, Phillips head screw, on a little metal tab. You have to take that out, and then it's just held on with glorified Velcro. It's there's a pad on each side that has nubs sticking out, and when you put them together, they'll grip. But these are held on with 3/8 inch bolts, and I was lucky that even though all those bolts were completely out, the shims stayed under it so that it should fit on the T-top correctly when I put it on. Well, the T-top went on with a very tight fit, and the line separating the two T-tops is straight. So I would say that I was correct in my assessment that the shims were in the right place, and it was just a matter of reinserting the bolts and tightening them up.